Good morning, 5RS. So let's hit the ground running today and talk about what our goals and objectives are. We're going to meet for a Zoom lesson in science at 9 a.m. and it will be about kelp forests, which are primarily found out in California. We'll see a quick video and we'll go along with the Google slideshow. You're going to notice that some of the slides we aren't going to be able to do because when I made the slideshow, I was thinking we were going to be able to do a lab. So ignore those. But I will be going over the Google slideshow expectations for the reading that you will be working on after our slideshow and our Zoom lesson. And there's a video there that I would like you to take a look at prior to the Zoom. It's a quick clip. It's a little over 2 minutes. It's of a shipwreck that washed up ashore on Sandy Hook, which is near my house, last week. At the time, I didn't know what had happened, but I now know, so I will tell you how that boat got there. However, I want you to watch that, and then I do ask you to come up with a marine ecosystem, food chain, and food web. So thinking about the ocean, thinking about apex predators, what could you come up with? And be prepared to share that during our Zoom lesson at 9 o'clock. In the afternoon, we're just going to touch base kind of quickly at 1 o'clock, and then you're going to have the rest of that time to take your topic 10 math test that will only focus on lessons 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, 10.4, and 10.5. Yesterday's appropriate tools lesson will not be included in your test. So if you were having issues with that, I'm just hoping that you were reminded about that. So I just want to touch base with you at 1 o'clock before you go off and take your test. Now, if Envision is not working, we will have to deal with that. We'll figure something out. Maybe I could somehow do a Google Doc or something. So hopefully Envision isn't whacked out tomorrow and we can get that done. Again, it is a science day and a math test day, and we'll check in and see how everyone is doing. Okay? So see you at 9 o'clock.